Have you ever wondered what assets make people wealthy in the modern world? This question sparks interest in many. To achieve financial prosperity, it's key to understand the different wealth creation avenues. Today, we delve into 6 primary assets that have historically been a goldmine. So, buckle up as we take a journey through the assets that could potentially make you very wealthy. First on our list is stocks. Stocks are essentially shares of ownership in publicly traded companies. When you buy a stock, you're purchasing a piece of that company's future earnings and assets. As a stockholder, you get to partake in the company's growth and profitability. Over the historical timeline, stocks have yielded exceptional returns, often surpassing different asset classes. Stocks allow investors to profit from the expansion of businesses in various industries, from tech firms to healthcare providers, and from retail shops to manufacturing units. Stocks provide an insight into the diverse universe of commerce and innovation. Additionally, stocks often yield dividends, which are parts of a company's profit shared among its stockholders. These dividends can offer a consistent income stream, supplementing any capital gains from stock value appreciation. This blend of capital gains and dividends can result in significant wealth accumulation over time. However, remember that stock investment carries its risks. Stock values can exhibit substantial short-term fluctuations, and some companies may even face bankruptcy, leading investors to lose their entire stake. That's why it is crucial to employ careful investment strategies and diversify your stock portfolio. Despite the inherent risks, historically, stocks have proven to be an effective instrument for wealth accumulation. Next, let's talk about the timeless asset class, real estate. Investment avenue that has consistently demonstrated its value, offering opportunities for both capital appreciation and passive income generation. How so, you may ask? Owning residential or commercial properties is not just about possessing a physical asset. It's about harnessing the power of real estate appreciation. As property values typically increase over time, your primary investment can multiply considerably, forming a significant wealth reserve. But the appeal of real estate goes beyond this. It's not just about waiting for the property's value to rise. It's about creating a consistent cash flow immediately. By leasing out your properties, a continuous income stream can be established, supplementing any other income sources and enhancing your total wealth. And who can ignore the tax perks? Real estate investments offer distinctive benefits, such as depreciation, write-offs, and preferential capital gains treatment. These factors can substantially enhance your net returns, making real estate an even more compelling option for wealth accumulation. Like investments, real estate has its own set of risks and challenges. However, with judicious planning, intelligent strategies, and a sharp grasp of the market, these can be effectively navigated. Hence, real estate stands as a powerhouse in the asset hierarchy for wealth generation. Next must-have asset you should consider is business ownership. This asset class requires an entrepreneurial spirit. It's not a path for the faint-hearted. It also requires audacity, resilience, and a readiness to face the unknown. This audacious path has led many individuals to immense wealth and financial independence. The forms of business ownership vary from owning a small shop to managing a multinational corporation. The underlying principle always remains the same: investing in your abilities to deliver a product or service of value to the market. Envision yourself leading a thriving business, one that is a testament to your vision and tenacity, one you've nurtured from scratch. The essence of business ownership lies in creating something valuable, something that not only generates income but also contributes to the economy and the community. Yet, the road to success isn't smooth. Starting a business is a high-risk venture involving long hours, significant financial investment, and the potential for failure. However, it's through these hurdles that the possibility of substantial wealth arises. A successful business can yield profits exceeding traditional investments. As a business owner, you're not merely earning a salary, you're building an asset that can appreciate over time, creating an income stream that can generate wealth for years, even decades. Successful entrepreneurs often have the option to sell their businesses for a significant sum or go public, leading to a major financial windfall. They might retain a stake in the business, providing an ongoing source of income and opportunity for further wealth accumulation. But business ownership isn't solely about wealth accumulation. It's about bringing an idea to life, making a difference, and leaving your legacy. It's about the freedom to make your decisions and the satisfaction derived from realizing your vision. Despite the required and risk-taking, business ownership can provide immense financial rewards. It's a journey filled with obstacles, but for the daring ones, the potential for wealth creation is truly extraordinary. Continuing our exploration of wealth-building assets, we now turn our attention to bonds, a safe and stable form of investments. Unlike the volatile world of stocks or the hands-on requirements of real estate and business ownership, bonds are a more predictable and less risky option. Bonds, in essence, are a form of loan that you provide to a company or government. In return for your investment, you receive a promise of regular interest payments and the return of your initial investment at the end of a specified period. This fixed return makes bonds a popular choice for those seeking a stable income stream. Considered a safe investment, bonds are particularly appealing for their role in capital preservation. While they may not offer the high returns of stocks or real estate, their lower risk and predictable income can be an attractive trade-off, especially for those nearing retirement or seeking to reduce their exposure to market volatility. Bonds can be a valuable part of a diversified portfolio. However, it's important to remember that while bonds are generally safer than stocks, they are not risk-free. The risk of a bond depends on the creditworthiness of the issuer. Government bonds, for instance, are considered among the safest investments, while corporate bonds can vary significantly in risk. Bonds may not make you a billionaire, but they can provide a steady income and preserve your wealth. They are the quiet performers of many investment portfolios, providing balance and stability amidst the ups and downs of the market. So, while they may not be as glamorous as other investment options, don't underestimate the power of bonds in wealth building. Now, let's step out of the confines of traditional asset classes. Let's consider a diverse group of assets. Alternative paper assets. Our first stop on this exploration takes us to commodities, the raw materials such as gold, oil, or wheat that can be traded. Commodity investment only offers a cushion against inflation, but also adds an element of diversification to your portfolio. Shifting gears, we come to mutual funds, which are essentially pools of money from various investors that are then invested in diverse portfolios of stocks, bonds, or other securities. They offer the advantage of access to professionally managed portfolios and diversification, making a particularly attractive option for smaller or less seasoned investors. Branching out further, we encounter cryptocurrencies, private equity, and hedge funds. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum are revolutionary digital currencies that utilize cryptography for security. Private equity, on the other hand, is a direct investment into private companies or even buyouts of public companies, resulting in their delisting. Hedge funds are investment funds that gather capital from accredited individuals or institutional investors, using diverse to churn out active returns for their investors. Moving away from the traditional definition of assets, we also have, last but not the least of valuable assets, is having a community of loyal followers. By establishing a strong personal brand and cultivating authentic relationships with followers, individuals can create a loyal following that provides various benefits, from monetization opportunities like sponsored content and product sales to access to valuable resources and networking opportunities. A community of loyal followers offers a pathway to financial prosperity beyond traditional financial assets. A robust personal brand and engaged following can lead to increased influence and credibility within a niche or industry, opening doors to speaking engagements, media appearances, and partnerships with brands or organizations. As individuals continue to invest in building and engaging their community, they can leverage their influence and resources to unlock new opportunities for growth, collaboration, and prosperity in both their personal and professional lives. So there we have it, the top 6 assets that can make you wealthy in the modern world. Let's take a look. First, we have stocks, your ticket to sharing in the success of an assortment of businesses. Second on our list is real estate, a realm where capital appreciation and passive income are the orders of the day. Coming in at number 3, we have business ownership. This option presents boundless potential rewards for those brave enough to take the entrepreneurial leap. Fourth, we've got bonds, a safe and stable form of investment offering income diversification. Fifth, we've surveyed the vast terrain of alternative paper assets, a diverse group of assets that includes everything from commodities and mutual funds to cryptocurrencies, private equity, and hedge funds. Last but certainly not least, we have a community of loyal followers. In this digital age, building a strong community can be a significant asset and a source of substantial rewards. Remember, understanding these assets and their potential can be the first step in your journey to wealth creation. So, choose wisely and invest smartly. As we begin to wrap up our discussion on wealth creation, we'd like to extend an invitation to you. If you found value in this video and are interested in learning more about business, investment, and wealth creation, we encourage you to join our growing community. First, hit that subscribe button below and become a part of our YouTube family. This simple action will ensure that you never miss out on our valuable content designed to guide you on your wealth creation journey. Second, don't forget to click the bell icon for notifications. By doing so, you'll be among the first to know when we post a new video, keeping you ahead of the curve and in tune with the latest trends and strategies in wealth creation. Finally, we invite you to join our Telegram community. There, you'll find a wealth of free resources and have the opportunity to engage in insightful discussions with like-minded individuals who, like you, are on the path to financial freedom. A link to the group is in the description box of this video or the profile section of this YouTube channel. Remember, the journey to wealth creation is not a solitary one. By joining our community, you're gaining access to a supportive network of individuals who are eager to share their knowledge and experiences. So, subscribe, turn on notifications, and join us on Telegram today. Let's embark on this journey